Laundry on the ship. Laundry on the ship. Okay, this has been a lifesaver for him and I. But let me tell y'all, this is the bag. The bag is paper thin. It's paper thin, but we get this for free as Diamond Plus members. I gotta get all of this into this bag, and wait till I show you how I do it. What I do, you fill this out. Now hold on while I work. How do Frederick and I make it 31 days on the ship, on the ocean, and not have 31 different outfits? That comes through the laundry service that we receive as Diamond Plus members on Royal Caribbean. What does that mean? If it's 5 nights or more, we receive a load each. But one of the things about it, this is the bag. Okay, I need you to see, this is right here at my hip. That's as tall as it is. This is the bag. And the instructions state the more you can stuff it as much as you want. And that is a free service for us. The other thing is they do have laundry service on there. Let me just go back and say, if we didn't receive this for free, the bag is $34.99, $35 to wash. It's a wash and go service. They let you know we wash all of the colored clothes in warm water and all of the, nope, that's not true. All of the white clothes in warm water and the colored clothes in cold water. And they wash and fold. Your stuff is not gonna smell like your fabric softener and all of that because they don't know who has allergies. So it's allergen free in the wash solution. Now you can get a different service and it has on there a wash and press, and there are a lot of, which you can't see right now and I'm not going to tell you to pause, but there's a lot of different prices. For instance, a jacket press only $7.49. This would be more of like you were going to a cleaner's, right? Because a shirt or blouse, a wash and press is $3.49. If you just want it pressed, only $1.99, steam only $1.99, or dry clean $4.99. So this is as if you went to a actual laundry, a cleaner's that's on land. But for us, we use the wash and go, and inside of this bag. Now I will tell you this. Let me tell you what I was told, because I want to know how well I pack that bag, because I've seen people turn them in, and baby, these paper thin bags, what they opt to do, you end up with more than one bag and you end up paying more than one service because the instructions, however many you get into that bag. This is what my list looks like for it says loads of saving, wash and fold laundry special, the $34.99. It gives you the room on here to fill it out. What I normally do, which you will see in a few moments, this is my checklist on the back. I write out everything that I did, and then I go from there. And I have been told that I am the queen of stuff in a bag. One bag, so I get my laundry, and then Frederick gets his laundry, and that's what we've done on this ship. So take a look at how I did it, and baby, go ahead, put in the comment, you the queen, you the queen, you the queen of that laundry. But there's no way that we can make it hopping ship to ship, dragging dirty clothes. So tell me what you think in the comments. Thank you so much for tuning in. Okay, so I've separated everything, and on the bag, now here's the great part. This leg, we did a back to back to back. So when the first part of this started, I only get laundry on 5 or more nights. The next one is only a 4-nighter. So we can wash, but they would charge $34.99 for this bag. And so I need to get it all in because I'm gonna be on the next one. I get to take advantage on here, but it'll be delivered to my next cabin. What did I come up with? That pile ended up being 7 pants, 4 pair of socks, 3 shorts, 12 t-shirts, and 6 underwear. All right, so let's see. The first thing that I do is lay everything out. Everything is laid flat, all right? All of these shirts, turn that just a little bit for me. There you go. all of these here are right here, because I want y'all to be able to see it. Normally when we pack, I don't know how everybody else pack. I pack flat. This to me is what works best. So I'm gonna take this and I'm gonna fold it in half. That's it. Here are the pants. I'm gonna take them and look, I need for you, some of these are thick pajama pants. I'm folding them in half like that. The bulk of the sleeves are up there, and this is just the bottom. This is the top of the pant, so I'm gonna have it at the bottom to lay it like that. Now that's flat. Here are the shorts. Fold. Now I got the bulk of these here. I'm laying that in the center. So now this becomes my clothes. Now this is the thinner end. So that's the end that's gonna go in first. Like that. So I most definitely get that in. And then the socks, I jimmy in. I'll show you. All of my information is written on the bag. Now, the great part is, I need to tell you, I think this is the largest pile that I've had to do. So we're gonna figure this out together. Another thing, look how wide that is. That's not a lot of space. And when I tell you this bag is paper thin, this bag is paper thin. But the instructions, as many items as you can get in, they will wash. So this is where hubby comes into play. All right. Oh, I just tore it.
Well, just
but don't worry,
Wait a minute,
Hold on. That's how thin it is, y'all. Let me show you my rip. Because when I say this thing is thin, you see how that ripped right there?
That should be okay.
But, oh, it is okay. I've torn it before, but I still gotta get them socks in. Excuse me. That's in there. Excuse me. Pair one, it just has to fit in the bag. Pair two, it just needs to fit in the bag. Pair three, wait a minute, is there anything? I think I can get some more stuff in here. I've washed jackets, I've washed it all. My information is on there. Here's my piece of paper, I just gotta sign it. That will slide in. And in this little bitty bag, I got all those clothes. Booyah!